Disclaimer, I don't know if this is really gonna work, but it works for me, so I hope it works for you. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, wherever. I hope everyone is doing well. I haven't been on YouTube in forever, but I just wanted to put this out just to share with you all ways that I'm staying creative, because it kind of reminded me, you know, like what I really want to do, especially with my career and just what I want to do in life. And it's just like a nice wake-up call to allow me to do what I really want to do, what I'm meant to do, and that's to design. So I'm going to share my 5 tips on ways to stay creative during quarantine. First, foremost, well, I usually take notes and I put them in my phone, so I'm gonna go to my notes. So the first thing is to read your favorite magazines and books. So for me, I have like a whole list of things that I love to read. Or you can also download like audiobook books. Right now they are doing like a free trial, so you can go ahead and take advantage of that and just listen to it, like what kind of books they have that are offering right now on the app. And I feel like that's a way to really help you like kind of like distract from things that are going on in today, is just listen to like a really good book. Or if you want, you can listen to a good podcast. If you have an iPhone or Android, there's podcasts available for you to listen to for free. So, you know, some of my magazines I can share with you all. Like, I love Lampoon magazine. It's just one of my favorite magazines, so I can look at it just because it's just filled with a whole bunch of creative, just very creative images and editorials in there, articles I can read. I love Natal. I think it's Natal or Natal. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I really like their magazine. And then recently went to Whole Foods, did a little quick Whole Foods run, and I picked up Kinfolk, which I really like. Love this magazine. It's so inspirational, and yeah, that's what I really look at. Me, I'm a visual person. I love to read, but sometimes my mind is all over the place that I can't really focus and lay down and read a book. So I have to like listen while I'm doing something. I feel like that's the best way for me to really take in information. And I'm a visual person, so I love pictures. I like colors. I like to see and to read. So that's just how I am. So the second thing is take long showers, okay? Like right now we have so much time to ourselves that we can really handle self-care. Like we can really just take self-care a little bit more seriously, and I feel like it wasn't the thing, especially when you're always on the go and you always had something to do, or your job hours was just crazy. I know for me, like during this time I was able to really find a good skincare routine that I really love, and I'm so happy because my skin is just so different than what it was a couple of weeks ago. And if I tell you, like my whole skin was just breaking out, and I don't know if it's stress, I don't know what was going on, but right now I have like an actual skin regimen that I do, and it's amazing for my face, for my hair, for my body. So this is the perfect time to take long showers and just get to know yourself, your skin, and just all that. Third thing is write. Always write. It's good to have journals. I have a whole bunch of journals, okay? And oh, sidebar, I've been reading this Mind Your Business by Alana Grifio. I just butchered her name, but I will link it below. This is a great workbook for people who are interested in turning their creative passion to like a full-time job. And it's amazing. I really love this thing. So yeah, I've been working on that. That's something I actually been working on like before this whole thing happened. Like during my lunch break, instead of me just like sitting down, I would really get out, because I work in the mall, and I would just get outside or just walk around and work on the book and just get my blood flowing and eat. So I'll just make time to fill that book out instead of just procrastinating and just saying, oh, I'll do it when I get home. And when I get home, I'm just tired and I'm sleepy and I just want to sleep. So, fourth thing is to listen to a favorite playlist. And if you don't have a favorite playlist, then you can just make your own. I have a playlist that I made on Apple Music. If you want to follow me, it's Van Man Vibes on Apple Music. I absolutely love making playlists. Like, I can listen to the same 10 songs forever, especially if it's songs that I love, and I can listen to it forever. So I think that having a good playlist of songs that you really, really love can really get you in that mood, fill you up with that energy to just feel great, especially when you're designing. Like me as a designer, I like to hear music that just inspires me, just makes me feel good, and just allows me to just design and be creative and like just not overthink everything that I'm making. So I think that it's great to just have a playlist that just makes you feel that way. So yeah. Lastly in my notes, but not least, it's always good to get your blood flowing. You have to exercise. Like, one thing I do, I love to do yoga. Like, I love to do it. I'm not a pro, but slow and steady wins the race. Okay. I love to stretch. Even if you do like simple meditative exercises, you know, it doesn't have to be like the really intense yoga, but just light things that you do to like really just center you and just keep you focused, I think is really, really the best thing for your body and your mind, because you can exercise your body, but you really have to exercise your mind, and people don't really get to do that or understand that completely. And exercising your mind is just simply closing your eyes, trying to be in a still and quiet environment, and just try to clear your mind and not think about anything. Sometimes you could try for like, time yourself, do it for 5 minutes. You know, set the timer on your phone, do it for 5 minutes. Or you can do it for 2 minutes. And then each day you kind of increase the time, or each week you increase the time. I think that's a great way to just mentally help yourself, because with so much things going on right now during this time of COVID-19, so many people are being laid off, and so many people are, you know, they don't have any income coming in. Like, the whole world, like half of the whole world is on unemployment right now, and things are really, really tough. It's really, really rough. So even if you can't meditate in your own house, find a way to, I don't know, go outside and meditate somewhere quietly, and alone. You can even meditate in the bathroom, you know, close the door and turn off the light, or just close your eyes and try to meditate in the bathroom. You can go to your car. If you have a car, you could do that. But it's really good to just, you know, catch a breather, catch a breath. I do have my Apple Watch. My Apple Watch lets me know when to stand up. It's really, really cool. It's called Headspace. I didn't create an account yet, but I used to use Headspace, which is really, really nice. So basically Headspace just it's like a mindfulness type of thing, just getting your mind and your thoughts together. So you can use the app to do it, or you can just do it on your own. Just close your eyes. You can either try to be in quiet. If you feel like quiet isn't good for you, then you can just play like a nice, like I know they have folk music, they have indie music, like a song that's very peaceful and just quiet, that can help you like play in the background and just help you just bring everything and just and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. But as a creative, if you're sewing, if you're designing, if you're trying to do something new, this is really the time to just overall create a balance. It's just the daily necessity that you do in life. You just have to create a balance and kind of create a schedule for you to really get shit done, because we're in a time where, I know everyone's saying just because you're home, you don't have to do anything. And I understand that, but I feel like for me personally, I have a mission for myself, and This is a time for me to really get stuff done that I've wanted to get done, but I couldn't because I was working all the time. So this is the time, that passion that you're just so interested in and something you wanted to learn about, this is the time to just do it. And not to like overthink, because honestly at the end of the day, God got your back. I'm not a firm believer in just unnecessary worrying. I don't worry if it's unnecessary. So you know, everyone is in a bind, and God will help us and bring us out of whatever each and every one of us is going through. Take time for yourself, make sure you is together, and then you can go from there. So yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed my little talk session. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and just let me know in the comments below what else you all want me to talk about, what you want me to do. I saw in my last video I did the review about the sewing machine, and I really appreciate the comments. I didn't think I was gonna get comments at all, so I really appreciate you all for commenting. Just let me know below what you want me to talk about, because I'm free. I will make a video and I will show you how, whatever you need, any answers when it comes to fashion, design, and just creating, being a creative, just let me know. Yeah, I'll see you all in my next one, and take care, be safe, and stay home. Okay, stay home. Bye. Yeah.